Hello guys. Hope everyone is good. Here's another trade I caught. The next one is Tutu yesterday, and it had a lot of potential. We are targeting one is Tutu, but we see the potential. Okay, let's go through this trade. You see this bearish M15 trend. So after taking out this inducement, then my low was confirmed. So I had this range, which means after this inducement, if the price even sweep this high but close below, give me, if it's a sweep, still valid to the downside. So it took out inducement and took out this engineered liquidity but did not tap. Did not tap on my point of interest. This is higher. They call why higher confluence. Liquid is OP. So the beauty of reaction-based trading, not because if I just put a pending order here, stop loss here, I would have not been triggered. But I have to monitor the price. I have to adapt with the price. So after taking this, my analysis is on another data feed. I think it's Owanda. Oh no, it's FXVM. I wrote everything. Yes. So let's go to 5 minutes. Yes, this is my adjustment I was talking about. This is an extreme. This is a sweep. My first trade after taking out this sweep. Okay, after the sweep, see the price going to the downside. So after the price broke this low, I expected to take an entry here. Because I expected for the price to take out this inducement and sweep this high to the downside, but the price continued. At this point, taking this trade, this one, everything is looking good. Relative high time frame, trend, inducement taken, engineered liquidity taken. Those are M15 inducement, engineered liquidity, and extreme order block not mitigated. but doesn't matter. Lower time frame confirmation, you see, break of structure, waiting for this inducement to be taken. Inducement with trendline liquidity. Inducement with trendline liquidity. But the price kept okay. But I'm still a bit uncomfortable, not confident about my trade because I had 3 losses in a row. I am not okay. There are 3 losses in a row. I am not trading my plan. I'm trading my emotions. That is important for every trade to be different scenario, different markets. No matter how high probable the setup is, or if I was in a winning streak like last week, 6 to 7 trades in a row, I carried that confidence to the next trade. Now 3 losses in a row, all that confidence and momentum down the drain. I feel demotivated, as if I can't reach my goals and a bad trade. Also, I have to see I am sticking. Also, I have to see, am I sticking to my trading plan or the quality of the trade I take? I should aim. Quality of the trades are as they should, which leads to losing, or it's just a back winning trade. You see, at this point, before I even place a trade, I have to, let me see. It's much better if the trade just took out an inducement, because the second one, I'm not afraid to taking this trade because of confluences. This thing I was talking about here. Am I not feeling confident about trade because I had 3 losses in a row? Or am I not confident about this trade because the confluences are not lining up? You see? Because this one I felt confident. Okay, so let's get to this one. The price just continued bearish. Remember, we are bearish in 15 minutes. You see, after the price took out this inducement and tapped this order block, continue to the downside, and we had this trendline liquidity, and I had this inducement. Then the price, this was later in New York session, the price just took out this inducement, took out this trendline liquidity. Remember, the relative high time frame is bearish, M15 and M5 and M1, M5 and M1, everything is lining up. You see, took out this, yes, and dropped to the downside, creating this liquidity to the downside. Look at this move. This move was to continue taking out that M15 low because there's a liquidity below here. See, it's a high probability setup because first of all, you may have a high probability setup in your playbook, but if it's against the trend, the probabilistic of that trade drops significantly. So it's not about how probable your setup is. Did you execute your setup under right market condition? Yes, guys, I took this trade. You see, I just missed this one, but it's fine. Yeah. See, I took this trade. See, this trade was to finish this bearish trend. Everything was lining up. Okay, let's see the potential. Let's see the potential. And I was not afraid taking this trade. So the question is, again, was I not confident about this trade because of the 3 previous losses, or just the trade itself, its technicals wasn't convincing? So let's see the potential. If I target at this low with the same stop loss, that one is to 5. But bear in mind, the spread plays a huge role. I cannot with let me see. You see, if usually, let's see, this broker the spread is 0 on GU, definitely I would have been triggered. And FXFI has a lot of has nice spread. I think GU is below 5 pipettes, so I would have been triggered. So I cannot with the 1 pip stop loss or 1.5 pip stop loss on GU expect to be triggered in this entry. So I need to find a proof firm that has a row spread. With the row spread and my stop loss just above, just the slightest. Yeah, even if the price sweeps this high, that's 1:10. Nice trade, nice confluences. Okay, nice trade, nice confluences. Pro trend. This is type 1 entry. Nice 1:10. Okay, let's just do a trade breakdown on the trade I just missed. You see, this time frame, it's a bearish trend. We have this. The price, see, after making this low, took out this major inducement and tape power extreme. This is our major inducement. And the timing, this is my major inducement, trendline liquidity. This is my minor internal structure, minor inducement, but this one is nicer. Let's go to M1. You see, okay, let me take it from here. See, the price hasn't broke the structure, but you see this internal price. You see, broke structure here, took out this inducement, sweep the engineered liquidity. Going to the downside, sweep inducement, take out this inducement, tap here, going to the downside, take out an inducement and continue with this price. I notice here, this type of entry, I need to take out an inducement, and to find another entry within this leg I have to find an inducement. Within this inducement I have to find single candle block. This was a single candle order block, but with the 2 pip stop loss, just because the price was around here, I would have taken a trade. Stop loss here. Yeah, my target would have been hit, but I knew that I have to, because of this trend line liquidity. You see, and this inducement and this extreme. See, the price just barely missed my entry, because you see the liquidity below. We have this nice liquidity, equal lows, and this equal low, this equal lows, and we have this trend line liquidity, and with this trend line liquidity, this is a nice trade. Remember, relative high time frame 15 minutes is bearish. So yeah, then the next one is too high probable one is to missed. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. This is my inducement. So the price, you see, after the price take this low, you don't have to take an entry based on this M1 structure. Let me see, where will I look for another entry? Yeah, the price at least have to take out, because this one has not been mitigated. Yes, let's take out low high, low, low high, low high, lower low, lower high. So yeah, this inducement have to go. Yeah. So everything above has been mitigated. Everything. Yeah, guys, I will do an update on this one. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Cheers.